Welcome to the Money Pouch. Let's set up your free account. On the website or app, click Get Started. Enter your age and annual income and click Next. You will now be asked some questions about your tolerance to risk. Please answer them honestly. This is important. Once you have answered the questions, we can select the right investment portfolio for you. You will be placed into either a conservative, balanced, or adventurous investment portfolio. Next, enter your email address. And click Find out my risk score. You will immediately see your risk profile and investment setup. Now click Get Started again. If you already have an interactive broker's account, click Yes, and we will email you a short form to fill out. That's it, you're done. If you don't have an IB account, please click No, and click Start Electronic Application. Okay, good. Now enter your email address, a username and password. Please follow the instructions on the screen. It is essential you also write these down and store them somewhere safe. Please now check your email for account verification in your email inbox. Click Verify Account and enter the username and password you entered before. Great. Now enter your customer type. It will be either individual, joint, trust, or company account. If you don't see the type of account you want here, please email us. Now fill in your personal information. This is important for legal, tax, and regulatory purposes. So it is essential you type in the correct details. Dependents are the number of people you financially support other than yourself. Enter your address, postcode, citizenship, and country of birth. Your citizenship is normally the country you hold a passport for. If you have a different mailing address, add it here. Enter your mobile phone number here and click Yes to be updated with SMS messages. Now enter your passport as identification type and your passport number as ID. Enter your tax residency information. Some countries do not issue tax identification numbers. Please also enter your employment details and source of income. Then enter your answers to 3 security questions. Please remember to write these down somewhere safe and store them, preferably in a secure lockbox. You will need them in future if you forget your password. Now fill in your net worth, which is the value of all your cash, assets, and properties. Your liquid net worth, which is the total of all your cash, shares, and mutual funds. And your annual net income, which is how much money you make every year. Then enter your investment experience. For many, this will be none. And click Continue. Now we come to the W8 Ben tax form. Just scroll down to number 9 and enter the country you live in at the moment for tax purposes, and then type in your first and last name. Click I agree. OK. Your documents are still required. But first, click Fund Your Account, and then How to Wire Funds. Now enter your bank name, bank account details, and initial deposit. The minimum deposit is $10,000 US. Click Confirm Notification, and you will see the bank wire instructions. Click Print and save to PDF or print out the instructions. These are the instructions you will give to your bank. Normally, you can enter these instructions online. If you don't have online banking, you will have to take this instruction into your bank personally, or phone them up and fax the instructions. That's it. Click Continue. Now please upload your documents. Please upload your passport copy of the page with your passport photo on it as proof of identity. Also, upload your latest utility bill from the last 3 months as proof of address. If you don't have it on you right now, you can also email it to newaccounts@interactivebrokers.com, but you must include your account ID, which is why we recommend uploading the documents here right now instead. Okay, once you have uploaded your documents, click Continue. Now you can download the security app needed for login for your iPhone or Android smartphone. Follow the instructions on the screen. Then hit Continue. That's it. We will now set up your account. Don't forget to submit your bank wire instructions to your bank. Now your investment journey is ready to start. Thanks for choosing The Money Pouch.